Hello students. Good evening. Welcome all friends to my channel, and today we learn what is DNA. In computer science, DNA can refer to digital DNA, which is a metaphorical term used to describe the digital representation of biological DNA in computer systems. Digital DNA is used in a variety of fields, including bioinformatics, computer simulations of biological systems, and computer security. One of the main uses of digital DNA is in the analysis of biological sequences, such as genomes, transcriptomes, and proteomes. This involves translating the biological sequence into a digital format that can be processed and analyzed using computational methods. Digital DNA is also used to represent the structure and function of biological molecules, such as proteins and enzymes. Another use of digital DNA is in computer simulations of biological systems, such as cellular processes, protein interactions, and genetic networks. These simulations use mathematical models to describe the behavior of biological systems and can provide insights into the underlying mechanisms of disease and other biological processes. In the context of computer security, DNA can refer to a type of digital watermarking technology that is used to protect intellectual property and prevent unauthorized copying or distribution of digital content. Digital DNA can be embedded in files, such as music, video, and software, and can be used to track the source of unauthorized copies or identify pirated content. Overall, digital DNA represents an important intersection between computer science and biology, and has numerous applications in a wide range of fields. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.